welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa and this is Beautiful You Wig Reviews. I'm so glad that you are here today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell and then you will never miss any of my wig related videos. So today I'm bringing you a review for pinkypromise.com. Go to the Pinky Promise website and scan down until you find the little place where you can put in your email. Sign up to receive their emails and you will get an automatic 30% off code. Also, if you have any questions about what wigs are in stock and things like that, don't hesitate to email support@pinkypromise.com and ask those questions there. So today I'm wearing this gorgeous new style by Envy for 2021. This is Erica and she is made from the Envy hair, which is 70% synthetic and 30% human hair. She is absolutely beautiful. Oh, the color is Mocha Frost, by the way, and I can't wait to tell you more about her in just a moment. Okay, let's jump in and talk about this lovely wig, Erica by Envy. So this girl has wow factor. I mean, these beautiful layers and this sweeping bang by the face, she is just so pretty. Now you'll notice the pictures of the models for Envy, they have it kind of flipped out. And I think that's probably because you can change this style because these are 70% synthetic and 30% human hair fibers. So you can, flip the layers up if you want to and do things like that. But I like to show you these pretty much right out of the box. All I do is take out the zigzag part and, just get the hair fixed, of course. But I don't fluff them up. I don't do a lot to them, and so this is how she is laying on me right out of the box. And I think she is just gorgeous. The layers are so, so pretty. So very flattering to the face. Very, very nice. Okay, so I will do a turn all the way around and then we'll talk about all of her measurements and all that stuff. So very, very pretty. This Mocha Frost is gorgeous. I've never tried this color, so very pretty. Okay, so front. Here is my right side. She's quite long. The back. Here's my left. I guess she's kind of flipping out there in the back when I move my head a little bit. And back to the front. So very, very pretty style. Okay, so measurement wise, here in the front, they give a measurement of 7.5 to 9.5 inches. So you can see there's a little bit shorter layer. That's probably that 7.5. Here's your 9.5, more than likely. And then from the crown, she has 7.5 to 9.5. So you'll see there's this layer here that's the same as that bang all the way around. And then on the sides here, she has 7.5 to 14 inches. So there's where you're getting your length. And then her nape measurement back here is 14 inches long. So gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous wig. And weight-wise, she is 5.71 ounces, but she feels very lightweight. I mean, she obviously feels like long hair, but she doesn't feel heavy at all on my head. So very, very pretty. As far as the cap fit, I am petite, and this is an average size wig. So there's definitely room. She's a little roomy up here, I think forehead to nape on me measurement-wise. She's a little bit big, but she's fitting around my circumference really nicely. I can't talk today, y'all. And she's fitting ear to ear very nicely. So she's not, pushing on the back of my ear or anything like that. So let me show you her lace front. Now, one thing that you're gonna see here is you're gonna see the line where that lace is. So I have had a human hair cap like this for Envy, and I'll show you the inside of the cap in a minute. But so you can trim that lace back if you want to, or you can hide it, with your powder, your foundation, if you don't want to trim it back. I think for me, I would trim it back. I just feel like it's just showing a little bit too much on my skin tone. But so don't be alarmed about that. This actually has a lace front that goes all the way down onto the ear tab. So that's why you're seeing that lace right there. So you can easily just trim that back. So don't be alarmed about it. So the lace front looks really, really good, especially on this, the knotting is beautiful on this color. Very, very nice. But the knots are really tiny. They look very natural. So she has a full mono top, but I have her parted on the left because that's where her zigzag part is. So I will show you her part. Looks really, really good. And then ear tabs. I have good coverage. So like I said, so here, if I pull this up, you can see this lace. So that's what I'm talking about. Let me pull the hair back and then I will lay that. Okay, so the ear tab will lay down there. But you know, if I'm pulling it back like that, that's why you were seeing it lift. But I want you to know that it does lay, you know, right against my face really nicely. It's got a good sized piece of metal on there. It's not itchy or scratchy or anything. And, you know, it looks very, very natural with just the hair then on the lace there. It's only pulling up because I'm pulling on the hair. So don't be alarmed about that. So I'll show you this one on this side too. So again, if I pull on it, you can see that lace, but you can also see how it's just laying right up against my forehead, my head, my face. Looks really, really good. And I have good coverage. I just have a tiny bit of bio hair showing, so looks really, really nice. Okay, she is just gorgeous. All right, I will pop her off and we can look at the inside of her cap. Look at Erica's cap construction. So here's that full mono top. Now that checkered appearance you're seeing is just different colored fibers sewn into that. So don't be alarmed about that. That's just the blondes and the light browns that are in this color. So you have a poly strip that goes onto the ear tab. You don't have any felt on the ear tabs. You do have felt right here at the, you know, this edge of the cap. So it is comfortable. There's your piece of metal that you can see right there. So you've got a poly strip that makes the ear tabs and goes across the top of the head and goes down to the other ear tab. And that just allows you, you know, you can put some tape there if you want to, or if you're completely bald, that'll really help the cap adhere to your head. But you know, that's what they put that there. And then that gives them something to put the lace onto, you know, for these ear tabs. So here's the lace I'm talking about. This particular little corner got a little folded up in the box, but so that lace front is running all the way across, all the way down the front of those ear tabs. So that's a little different from what you may have seen in, you know, other wig cap construction before. So, but very, very nice. You've got nice full, this is a large mono top that covers the whole head, so you're able to part it. In fact, when I put it back on and show you the color, I will show you how you can part it, you know, on other parts of your head. Then she's got, like I said, velvet, you know, going along here and around the back of the mono top, so it's nice and soft. Open wefting all through the cap. Soft velvet nape, not velvet, felt, excuse me. It's velvety feeling. And Velcro adjusters. So interesting, you know, cap construction. There's something you may not have seen before, but like I said, it does not feel scratchy or uncomfortable or anything like that. She has a lot of hair, so it's kind of hard for me to show it to you, but you know, there you can see the appearance of scalp when I put my finger under there. There's the lace front. Okay, so this is Mocha Frost. What a gorgeous, gorgeous color. All right, so they describe Mocha Frost as a light ash brown with medium blonde highlights. So I definitely see an ash brown under there. It's not rooted, but you can definitely, like down here on the layers, you can see that brown more. What I've noticed with their shades is a lot of times on the underside of the wig, you know, you can see that shade. Very pretty, very, very natural. Okay, let's take Mocha Frost outside and we can look at this color in the natural light. Okay, so here is Mocha Frost under my patio cover. Show you that lace front. Mono top. Okay, so here's this color out in the sunlight. was helpful for you in, you know, really getting a good look at this color. It is really, really pretty, and I think it would work with a lot of different skin tones. So let's talk about glasses and styling and all that. This wig has a ton of possibility for styling. There is so much you can do with these layers. This would be great, you know, wedding hair, date night hair, you know, prom hair, whatever, dance hair, special gala hair, you know, just really, really pretty. So lots and lots of styling potential. So let's talk about glasses first. I do want to show you, so she is ear tuckable. So you see when I first tucked that lace lifted, but then after that it lays back down. So, you know, don't be alarmed about that. So I want to show you glasses. So you see how, you know, even with those ear tabs being lace and the poly material, it's still really, you know, they lay fine against your face, and glasses are still really, really easy. I would definitely, though, tuck the hair behind my ears before I put it back. You know, if I wanted to put the glasses on my head or sunglasses, because it's a lot of hair, and I think it's gonna, you know, your wig might slide back or something like that if you try to push it with your glasses. She has a ton of potential, you know. Put her behind the ears, put in a headband. Looks really, really cute. You could also not put her behind the ears and stick the headband in, and that would look pretty. Or a scarf, or, you know, whatever. She looks super cute like that. She's got plenty of hair for, you know, doing a half up, half down. You know, just stick a little claw clip or a barrette back there. Now this layer is wanting to come down, which I actually like. I like pulling down some hair around my face whenever I do it half up, half down. Anyway, so just make sure, you know, that you are pushing those ear tabs down when you put it up like that. She's got plenty of hair for a ponytail or a twist. You know, so lots of potential for updos. You know, you could braid her, you could do all kinds of things with her. You can pull this front back, because she's got this lace front that goes, you know, all the way down past the ear tab. So bump her up and show off that lace front. Again, like I said, you can trim that lace back if it, you know, if that appearance of it bothers you. Super cute. She's so fun. The hair is just, you know, it's got great movement, and you could just pull the side back with a clip. I think she'd be pretty, you know, like pulled back. I love this clip. You know, with that in there, you could even braid it and put that in there, and that would be really pretty. So she's got tons and tons of potential. She's great for, you know, wedding hair, gala hair, whatever you need fancy hair for, you know. But the great thing is she's also really cute in a ponytail. So, you know, you can dress her up and dress her down. She's going to be extremely versatile, which is always great in a piece. So I want to thank Pinky Promise for sending this wig to review today. Don't forget to go to the website and get that 30% discount. There will be information for purchasing this wig at Pinky Promise below this video. So thank you so much for watching, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye.